What happened to the Outcasts? I've been smoking since I was 15 years old. Have I ever been in love? Where should I start with this? What am I trying to say? What the fuck? Am I still in love with her? Yo my people, SidhuJr here, back with another video, and today is going to be a Q&A. So I'm just going to strip back, not strip off, be myself for this next 8 minutes. I'm gonna be raw, not in that way. I'm just gonna be dogging these questions, god damn. Where have you been? Where have I been? As you can tell from my YouTube, I'm very inconsistent. I post for like a month, a year, and then just die. And that's because I'm still a child. Okay, I started this YouTube thing when I was 17. I was 17 making this YouTube thing, and I've never been consistent. I'm still trying to be a kid in a sense, like, you know what I mean, the normal 18-year-old stuff, you know, go out. Saying that, I don't actually like going out. Clubbing's a myth. Clubbing is, what the, why is it so windy, bruv? Sorry. I hate clubbing. I haven't gone clubbing since Christmas time, so nearly 9 months now. Deep it. So I don't drink alcohol. So I'm paying, like, what, 10, 20 pounds at the door to listen to music. Most of the time is shit, bruv. You get it? I don't listen to this uns type music, bruv. That's not me. But that's not the question. I've literally been living life. Now, I literally do what all you guys do. I'm not 25. I'm not like, this is not my last chance to be a YouTuber. This is just me trying to be a child at the same time as YouTube. And because I had school, it was like, I have school. That's like an excuse kind of thing. It's like, I don't need to do this YouTube thing because I still have school, even though YouTube at the time was doing alright for me. Like, it was like, that's when I, in a sense, like, took off. In a, not really, but you kind of understand where I came from. I've just been doing my own thing on holidays, which I have filmed a lot for you. It hasn't come out yet. Like, I've got 2 Amsterdam vlogs that still have to come out. I've got loads of videos ready to come out, but in my head, I was like, nah. And this kind of follows on to the next question was, are you actually going to be consistent this time? The answer is yes, because now I'm in the right mind frame to be consistent. Like, oh, this is going to get so deep. Basically, this year, 2023, for me personally, has been shit. As you can see by the backdrop, I've moved house. I was supposed to do YouTube this year. Like, I had it all planned out. Start of 2023, I'm gonna fucking upload every week. Boom, boom, boom. And I did. Not start of 2023, sorry. Start of the school year. So if you look, bro, from like, what, September to like November, I was doing all right. I was uploading pretty much every week. Life happened, should we say. So a lot of stuff happened this year. I couldn't fully focus on YouTube. I'm more focused on making money for myself. So I was just at a job, making my money. It was such a boring shit life if you deep it, bro. I used to work at JD Sports, and my shift was always 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 4. I'm waking up at like, what, 5:30 to get there for 7, leave at 4. I had another job at 5 p.m. So it was like, bro, I wasn't getting home until like, what, 8-ish. I'm falling asleep at like 10. Good sleep plan, but that's not the life I wanted to live. This has gone to a massive tangent. But what I'm trying to say is now, all the stuff that's happened this year, I can kind of put it behind me in terms of I can manage it now. I can deal with it. I can focus on YouTube now, which is why if you saw in July, I posted for a month straight. What am I trying to say? What the fuck? Am I going to be consistent? Yes. That is the answer to the question. Oh my days, that took so long to just say yes. Oh my days. Wait till you hear this, by the way. Okay, cool. I'm actually so gassed. Imagine, yeah, every Friday, this channel, video. I realized I need to be active more, like more on the internet. So, second channel, Lil Sid. I'm putting it in the description. I'm putting it on screen now. I'm going to strip back my virginity and become a FIFA YouTuber. Every 2 days, a FIFA video is on that channel. FIFA comes out today, Friday. It comes out today. So tomorrow will be a FIFA video on that channel. I'm gonna be consistent as fuck. I have no excuses now. No job, no school, no uni. I haven't got any bitches right now. I'm living my life. I have got no distractions, no excuses. I told you, I'm stripping it back, not off, and I'm being raw with you, not in that way. Have I got any video plans? Well, I've got videos coming out, bro. 2 Amsterdam vlogs. I've got another football video coming out. The last one did well. I don't think you understand. This is it, bro. This year, I'm gonna go crazy. Obviously, my FIFA channel, I'm doing FIFA videos every 2 days. Boom, 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 boom. This channel, I'm gonna be myself. You get it? So I've now got 2 audiences. I've got a kid audience, pause, for the FIFA, and I've got people my age. If you don't know, I am 19. I'm not fucking 25, because people think, okay, cool, I've got a hat on right now, innit? Let me, I'm gonna fucking, yeah, this is my hair. I haven't done my hair today. So look, my hair's like that. So this is what I look like when my hair's not done. How old am I? I am 19 years old. I'm not 25. I'm not divorced. I haven't got 3 kids that I know of. You actually leave here. I'm a child. I'm the same age as probably most of you guys. Because a lot of people think I'm older. Am I single? I am single. It's not complicated. I'm not one of them where, oh, it's complicated right now. Yes, I'm single. I've got no bitches to my name. I haven't had a girlfriend properly in a very long time. I used to be one of them guys. All I cared about was women. That's all I used to care about. That's all I wanted to do, just see girls 24s. What is my body count? Hey, I'm not answering that online. You are outrageous. No. People will look at me differently. My body count is 0. I'm a virgin. Virgin for life, virgin till marriage, virgin till the day I die. Are you high while recording this? What the fuck does that mean? Smoking weed? No, I'm not high right now. Fun fact, I've been smoking since I was 15 years old. That's not a fun fact. That's actually really depressing. That is extremely depressing. That is bad. I used to not be able to film before smoking. Like in my old videos, I'm high as shit, bro. I was so nervous at like what, 17, 18, like going to like these YouTube events, even just like filming like now. Like, I'm filming like in my room right now, camera to me. I was like, oh shit, what if I come across this way, that way? Let me just get high and I can be more chilled out. Have I ever been in love? Now this is going to open a can of worms. Where should I start with this? This is gonna get so long. Have I ever been in love? I'm just gonna answer straight off the bat, yes, I have been in love. This is so, I was with this girl on and off for about 3 years. I didn't realize it at the time, but looking back on it now, yes, I've been in love. No. I'm so, no. Why can't I not speak, bro? What? All I do is speak to a camera. Why can't I not speak? I fucked up. It was me. It wasn't her. It was me. I fucked up. She was my first girlfriend. Am I still in love with her? I can't tell you the answer to that question because I have no idea myself. We both changed as people. Like back then we were just kids. Now we're older. Yes, I've been in love. That's so depressing. Why have I just said that on camera? I can just cut that out. What happened to the Outcasts? I get this question so fucking much, bruv. Because I'm the only one uploading out of us 3. I get this question all the fucking time. All my Instagram DMs. Even Snapchat half the time. What happened to the Outcasts? Are you guys coming back again? Oh my god, I love the Outcasts. Are they coming back? Answer, no. Outcasts are never coming back. If you don't know what the Outcasts are, for my new fans, the OGs know them. It was me, Pookie, and Amzi. 3 of us. We made a group channel 2 years ago. We uploaded like 10 videos. People loved us. I don't know why. It was such a short amount of time. We must have uploaded for like a month and a half and people still cling on to us. That happened when I was 17. I'm now 19 now. We've all gone to do our own thing. If you see, Amzi doesn't post on YouTube anymore. Don't get me wrong, I still speak to them. They're still my very good friends. Like I still speak to them a lot of the time. The Outcast as a 3 uploading on that channel, never ever happening ever again. Us 3 in a video, maybe. I can't see it happening in the near future, but it might happen. The reason Outcast ended, the reason we stopped uploading videos, because we met in London this one time and we filmed like sick ass content. We made sick ass videos in real life together in London and we wanted to keep doing that. We had to face the hard fact. Pookie lives in Sweden. No way is this guy moving to fucking England on no job, no money. Obviously he's not gonna do that for a YouTube channel that we might not even know bang. Like, we have no idea if it's gonna work or not. But please stop asking me this fucking question now that I've answered it. Now that it's here in video form, I don't expect any more fucking DMs from people saying we're at Outcast. Because realistically, bro, it's been 2 years. Why do you give a shit? I've seen TikTok edits of us. But I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, all of that. Subscribe to my other channel, Lil Sid. Pretty much daily FIFA videos, and I got weekly on here. Bro, you can't tell me SidhuJr season is not here when it is right in front of your goddamn eyes. I'll see you in a bit. Love.